Hi guys, welcome to my channel Prettier with Poorva. Today I'm going to show you how to get this soft matte brown smoky eye. If you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. I typically like to start with my eye makeup first because if there is any fallout from any of the eyeshadows, my base makeup doesn't get spoiled. I can easily wipe that off my face, and then on top I can apply my foundation and everything looks seamless and smooth. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to start with my eyes first. And the first step to starting any eye makeup look is to prime your eyes. So let's do that. To start my eye makeup, I'll be using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime my eyelids. I'll dab a little bit on my eyelids. And then I'll use my fingers to smudge this. Now I'm going to use a damp beauty sponge and just blend it out. I'll be using Airspun's loose base powder and set my eyelids. Because we applied concealer over our eyelids, the concealer can crease, and that's why using a translucent powder to set the concealer is a good idea, because then it won't crease on our eyelids and our eyeshadows will also blend very nicely with it. For today's look, the first palette that I'm going to use is JaclynxMorphe Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Love Handles on my crease. We're going to use swirling motions to blend the eyeshadow and then swiping motions to move it towards the inside of the crease. For my next shade, I'm going to be using Thick Skin, and then we'll apply it right under where we applied the first transition color. Now I'm using JaclynxMorphe, the original palette, and I'm going to take the shade Mocha. Now we're going to place this on our lids. Now I'm taking the shade Chip on a smaller, dense brush, and we're going to be placing this on top of our upper lash line. Now I'm taking Clinique's Quick Liner for eyes, and I'm just going to smudge this. This is a kajal pencil. Now we're just going to smudge it on our upper lash lines. Keep it very close to your lash line, and this is going to be rough. You don't need to be very precise with it, because once we're done, we're going to smoke this out. Now taking a flat, dense brush, I'm going to smudge the kajal out. Now I'm going to be using Soda Pop on that same brush, and I'm just going to smudge it and intensify. Now using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend everything together. Moving back to our under eyes now, because our base makeup is done. For our lower lash lines, I'm going to take the shade Mocha. Now for highlighting, I'm going to take this shade and light and put it in the inner corners. I'm using the same shade and light to highlight my brow bones. So I'm back. I've done my liner and lashes off camera, and I've also applied some kajal on my lower lash lines. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Bye.